miamimd products promise to be fragrance-free, cruelty-free, and paraben-free. Hopefully within the next coming weeks, I'll be able to see some changes with my skin, but even in the next few days, that would be really great. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are new here, my name is Karan, and today I'll be doing a review on miamimd skincare line. It's an anti-aging skincare line, and I'm going to be testing them out for the next couple of weeks. So today is the first day that I'll be trying the products out. So today is November 5th, 2020. The first product that I have is the Total Beauty Matrix for skin, hair, and nails. It looks like it's a dietary supplement. So it says, as a dietary supplement, adults take 2 capsules daily with water. This is what it looks like. This is a bottle. And that's 60 capsules. So 2 a day is a 30-day. Thing I have is this instant Wrinkle Eraser for face and neck. This one says to apply to clean skin with fingertips, spread in an upward-outward motion, gently stroke over fine lines and wrinkles, allow to dry for 5 minutes, do not rub into skin, use as needed, store in a cool place. And this is what the container looks like. This is what it looks like the pump. Alright, the next item that I have is the Dark Spot Corrector for face and hands. Hands too. Alright, this one's, it says apply twice daily onto cleansed skin to the affected area or directed by physician. Not recommended for use on children under the age of 12. And this one too, pump. Next one is the Intensive Eye Repair Serum. This does not have directions. Oh, wash your skin around your eyes. Rub into the skin around the eye area while avoiding contact with your eye. Use in the morning and before bed. That's what it looks like. Okay, and it's pump as well. Now this next one that I have is the Age-Defying Lift and Firm Cream. Apply evenly over the face and neck. Use twice daily as a part of your anti-aging regimen or as needed for moisture. This is what it looks like. Alright, and the last item is this Rapid Revive for neck and face. Let's see. Apply a very small amount to clean skin with fingertips and smooth over wrinkles on forehead, around eyes, and any other areas. Do not rub, allow to dry thoroughly. Maybe use morning and evening or as needed. Discontinue use if redness or irritation occurs. Whoa. This looks like a syringe. Okay, and I guess I just press it and the coils go down and the stuff that's in there comes out. And that's the cover. And this is the cover. My problem is that because I have dry skin and I'm acne prone, I have a lot of dark spots or hyperpigmentation. Even if I don't squeeze or extract the pimples or comedones that's on my face, I still get scarring. So whether I just let it, I guess like extract on its own or just like let it heal on its own, I still have like acne scarring. So I'm hoping that the Dark Spot Corrector will make some changes and lighten up these spots, or basically get rid of them. So this is what my face looks like. For tonight, I'll be using the Intensive Repair Serum, the Age-Defying Lift and Firm Cream, the Instant Wrinkle Eraser, and the Dark Spot Corrector. The first product that I'm going to use is the Age-Defying Lift and Firm Cream. And this one says to apply evenly over the skin and neck. Use twice daily as a part of your anti-aging regimen or as needed for moisture. And it applies on just like any moisturizer. Lightweight for the most part, but I do see the difference as far as the moisture in my skin. The next product that I'm going to use is an Instant Wrinkle Eraser. This one says apply to clean skin with fingertips. Spread in an upward-outward motion. Gently stroke over fine lines and wrinkles. Allow to dry for 5 minutes. Do not rub into skin. Use as needed. Store in a cool place. So the only spot or the only places on my skin or on my face that I would say wrinkles is maybe my forehead and right here. Yeah, my forehead, and it may be right here. Alright, so alright, and it said spread upward and outward, so up and out. Gently stroke. Up. So the next product I'll be using is a Dark Spot Corrector. Applied twice daily onto the cleansed skin to the affected area or as directed by a physician. So I have dark spots everywhere, so I'm just gonna go in and just put it wherever I see a spot. And then the last product that I'm using tonight is the Intensive Eye Repair. And this one says to wash your skin around your eyes, rub into the skin around the eye area while avoiding contact with your eye. Use in the morning and before bed. Alright, so this looks like. So all of them feel pretty lightweight. My hands don't feel sticky or anything like that. So we'll see how my skin likes the products. Hey guys, today is now December 6th, and it's been about a month since I've been using these miamimd products. So I just wanted to do, I just wanted to close out my review and tell you how I like them. I just finished washing my face, so now I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Skin Toner Serum. Because as you can see, my face looks really dry. I'm gonna show you guys natural sunlighting, what my face looks like. And this is before putting the creams on from miamimd. So this is the Intensive Eye Repair Serum. I used about, I don't know if you can really see it, but I used a good amount of it so far. I've been putting it on my ring finger every day, twice a day, so morning and night. Just putting it underneath my eyes like this, and then on top. Honestly, I don't even know if you're supposed to put it around your whole entire eye, but this is where I've been putting it. Then I go in with the Instant Wrinkle Eraser. I just put a little bit on my finger, and then I've been putting it right here. On my forehead, right in between my eyebrows. And then right here where my smile lines are. And the application is pretty smooth. You don't want to rub it in too much because I noticed that like it kind of acts like glue, like Elmer's glue. Remember when we were kids and you put the glue on our hand and like let it dry and then we like peel it off like extra skin? Like that's kind of how it is if you rub it in too hard or you like rub vigorously into your skin. So I just kind of like just smooth it out a little bit. Then I go in with the dark Spot Corrector, and I've used about that much. If you can see, like it was down here when I first started using it and now it's up here. This one, yeah, I use all 4 of them twice daily. I just put a little bit like on my finger. Do the same thing, but then I just go like this. Anywhere that I have visibly darker spots at. Alright, and then the last thing that I use is an Age-Defying Lift and Firm Cream. And this is how much is left now since the start. And I use about that much. And I just go like this until the whole face is pretty much covered, and I go down to my neck. And that's what my face looks like after using it. After using these products for a month, I definitely did see a difference in my skin. My skin is much softer. It has been more smoother, especially like if it's a good week and I have little to no acne breakouts. But definitely after putting on all the products, I definitely put on another moisturizer, and that moisturizer and I put on another moisturizer. I put on the Fenty moisturizer because it has a sunscreen in it before I step outside. And even in the house, because you know sunlight comes in, you still need to wear sunblock while you're in the house as well. But I really like using these products, and I'm going to continue using them. I have noticed some differences on my skin as far as like my dark spots underneath my eyes. I look less tired now from using the under eye serum. As far as the wrinkles go, I feel like because you know as you get older you get wrinkles, it's gonna be kind of inevitable to get rid of them unless you do like Botox or something. But and then also like I'm pretty sure like these, like my smile lines, are most likely never gonna go away. I've had them for a long time, and I have to talk, I have to smile, I have to laugh, so like these are never really gonna go away. I was putting it up here because I started noticing some wrinkling up on my forehead, and I may do another update just to see how my skin is still reacting to it, and if you know I can get majority of my dark spots gone. As far as any skin irritations or anything like that, I didn't experience anything. Usually within the first day or two within using a product, my skin will let me know whether or not it likes it or not, but I didn't have any like crazy side effects from using it. No redness, no tightness, no itching or flaking or anything like that. But definitely after washing my face, putting on a toner and using the products, I definitely have to go back in with a moisturizer because the cream, it's moisturizing. It's like a light moisturizer, but it doesn't, you know, it doesn't give the amount of moisture that I personally like for my skin. Okay, so this is the miamimd products that I've used in the last month. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment box below. I'll leave the link and description of the products in the description box as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.